Just posting a quick video showing the rollovers. Just sometimes the ball rolls up the side, so they won't hit the rollovers. It has to go right around the inside. And the light here, I don't know what originally was wrong with it, but I just adjusted it and tightened it in there, and it looks to be okay. I think that's about it. I'll take some pictures of the back glass and inside the box and everything too for you. Send it out to you. Like I said, there are some scratches on the glass, but they're few and far between. There's one right here, which is because there's a piece of metal behind there, so when you remove the glass it kind of scrapes up on it, but other than that they're all pretty minor, and you can touch them up if you feel like it or not. I think it's in pretty good shape otherwise. Plastics are all there other than the broken one and the fabricated one that was put in. There's the paint that I did. It's not perfect, but it looks much better than it did. There's a little bit of wear up there as well, but that's not too bad, which I painted over, and the typical wear that goes in there, that I just painted over with black. The bulbs inside are all incandescent. There might be a couple that are out. I didn't want to touch those. I was going to put LEDs, but you need a special board for it, so I didn't bother. The rubbers were all put in brand new. There are plastic protectors on the slingshot plastics, just to protect those a little bit. Trying to think of what else. I think that's about it. But like I said, I'll take a couple pictures of inside, and you can have a look, and that's about it.